Hi, this is Denise Gagne with your music teaching tip of the day. I talked about making egg shakers. This is a special set of egg shakers. I've made pairs of egg shakers with the same things in them. I've used pennies, jelly beans, Lego, rice, peas, small metal screws, paper clips, popcorn, buttons, and Tums. And I've coded each of these so that I can tell which are the matching pairs. This pair has black tape around it. This pair has a little star on the end. This pair has a button. But the kids won't notice it if you do this only once in a while. You give each student a single egg shaker as they come into your classroom, and they have to find the matching egg shaker by listening to the sounds. This is a really great listening exercise for your students. Find more teaching tips by following Musicplay on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram.